Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, the Sandbox, currently trading for $0.44. How low can the Sandbox go in 2023? If we keep dumping to Goblin Town, are we going to see the Sandbox get back to the $0.2 level? Maybe even go lower than that. If we see Sandbox pumping to the upside, where are we going to get rejected? Can we set new all-time highs in 2023? The Sandbox has lost more than 92.5% of its value in the last 1 year. All coins have seen dumps in 2022. All coins have had a terrible time in the last 1 year, but we're going to get that rally that we'll be looking for to the upside in 2023. In this video, we'll be looking at the Sandbox US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll also be looking at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, the Sandbox performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at the Sandbox market cap. Currently, the Sandbox has a market cap of $665 million. How low can the market cap possibly go in 2023? If we get a pump to the upside, how high can the Sandbox market cap go before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All coins are down bad in the bear market of 2022. We have seen the Sandbox lose more than 92.5% of its value in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month alone, the Sandbox lost more than 21.1% of its value. All coins have been dumping really low in 2022. That's what we get after having the kind of monster bull run we had in 2020 and in 2021. We saw the Sandbox go from as low as $0.03, pumping to a new all-time high of $8.4 by November 2021. In 329 days, we saw the Sandbox go up more than 26,000%. $1,000 invested in the Sandbox in December 2020 would have returned more than $261,000 before November 2021. $1,000 invested in the Sandbox in December 2020 would have returned over $261,000 by November 2021. All coins are very, very volatile to the upside, but after huge bull runs like that, what happened is that we go through a period of bear market, a period of dump, and that's what happened in 2022. And maybe for some portion of 2023, we've seen the Sandbox go from as high as $8.63, dropping to as low as $0.44, losing more than 94% of its value in the bear market. In 2023, if the Sandbox continue dumping to Goblin Town, we might find support at the $0.15 region. Guys, the bear market is very, very brutal to all coins. We can keep dumping to Goblin Town, and it's normal to see all coins dump that low in the bear market, because when the bull run comes around, a lot of these all coins can pump, recovering all the losses they made in the bear market and even going to new all-time highs. If the Sandbox is going to get to the $0.15 level from where we're currently trading right now, the Sandbox will be down more than 98% from its all-time high. From the $0.44 region, the Sandbox has to lose another 65% if we are to see it trade around the $0.15 region. Now to the upside, we see the Sandbox rallying up to higher prices in 2023. We see the altcoin market catching a bit to the upside. Ethereum probably going above $2,000. Bitcoin going to the $40,000 region. I'll not be shocked to see the Sandbox rallying up to higher prices, but we might face some heavy resistance at some level. One key level to pay attention to for the Sandbox in the bear market will be the $0.82 level. We saw the Sandbox building a base around that level in June 2022. We finally broke below that level by the 7th of November 2022. So that's what I'm telling you. There's a possibility we can keep dumping to Goblin Town, but for pumping to the upside, you want to pay attention to that $0.82 region. We might get rejected there before continue dumping to Goblin Town. The Sandbox might not get to the $0.15 region in 2023. We might see the bottom coming, maybe at the $0.35 level. But guys, we are closer to the bottom than we are to the top. We can't keep dumping forever to Goblin Town. The same way we were pumping the bull market, people did not want the bull market to end. We thought we'll continue pumping to the moon forever. It's the same way as we're dumping to Goblin Town. A lot of people think the dump will not end and will continue dumping forever. If we see the dump end in 2023 and we see the Sandbox pumping to higher prices, another level where we might get rejected might be around the $1.4 level. We saw the Sandbox try multiple times in 2022 to go above the $1.45 level to no avail. I'll not be shocked to see the Sandbox even rally to as high as the $3 region before the end of 2023. From where we're currently trading right now, for the Sandbox to rally that high, we have to see the Sandbox go up 600%. The fact that we're in a bear market doesn't mean we cannot see that pump. The fact that we're in a bear market doesn't mean it will just be down only. We're going to have some pumps to the upside, and I think the highest we'll see the Sandbox go in 2023 will be around that $3.17 region. I don't think we'll set new all-time highs. We have gone through a huge bull run. Right now, we have to go through the different phases of a bear market. And 2023 looks as if it's going to be the year of accumulation, getting ready for the next bull run. So majority of 2023 might be spent going sideways, or we'll see us dumping to further gobbling town. If we get to rally, that $3 level would be a very, very good place to take some profit. In the bear markets where you want to be accumulating, in the bear markets where billionaires are going to be made, in the depths of the bear market is where those that are going to be successful by the end of the next bull run are making their bets, buying their favorite altcoins when they are down bad. A smart investor once said, you want to buy when the market is in extreme fear, you want to sell when the market is in extreme greed. And right now, the crypto market is in extreme fear. And more importantly, guys, if you're buying these altcoins, there's always a possibility they can continue dumping to gobbling town. The fact that you're getting them on the cheap, down 92.5% from their all-time high, it doesn't mean they can't keep dumping to gobbling town. So you want to dollar cost average through the process. If you take a look at what the Sandbox has been doing the last 1 year, we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $6.77 to as low as $0.42. With a market cap of $665 million, the Sandbox has a fully diluted market cap of over $1.3 billion. With circulating supply of over 1.5 billion coins, the Sandbox has a maximum supply of 3 billion tokens. Currently ranked 52 on coin market cap, over 2.2 million people have the Sandbox on their watch list. Why would you want to get the Sandbox in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? You can get some of the Sandbox on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on KuCoin, on Kraken, and on Uniswap. What is the Sandbox? If you want to be accumulating more in the bear market, the Sandbox is a blockchain-based virtual world allowing users to create, build, buy, and sell digital assets in form of a game. By combining the powers of decentralized autonomous organization and non-fungible tokens, the Sandbox creates a decentralized platform for thriving gaming communities. If you take a look at the Sandbox performance against Bitcoin, it has been dumping to gobbling town just like we expected in the bear market. But before it started dumping, we saw it pumping really well in the bull market, going up more than 13,000% against Bitcoin in 322 days. Right now, we've seen the Sandbox lose more than 82% of its value against Bitcoin. In 2023, I'll not be shocked to see the Sandbox continue dumping against Bitcoin to gobbling town. But guys, it's not going to be only doom and gloom for the Sandbox in 2023. Maybe we'll catch a rally to the upside, but ultimately, I expect us to set a lower high, and which will lead us to further dump to gobbling town. Same story is happening for the Sandbox against Ethereum. We saw it outperform Ethereum in the bull market, going up in 329 days by more than 5,500%. Right now in the bear market, we have seen it dump to gobbling town, losing more than 81% of its value. And if this level doesn't hold for the Sandbox against Ethereum, we might see it further dumping to gobbling town, which is normal in the bear market. In the bear market, people are scared, and when they are scared, they run towards safety. And safety for us in crypto is Bitcoin, is Ethereum. Some people always just leave the market and change their altcoins to stable coins. Some people get so scared that they leave the market and flip all their altcoins for some stable coins. If you take a look at the Sandbox market cap currently at $666 million, there's always a possibility we'll go lower in 2023. Key levels you should be watching out for the Sandbox in 2023 on its market cap charts. First, the $500 million level. We might bottom at that region, and if we don't bottom there, we continue dumping to gobbling town. You also want to pay close attention what the Sandbox will be doing when we get to the $200 and the $50 million region. You also want to pay attention to what the Sandbox market cap will be doing when we get to the $250 million region. Worst case scenario, we might see the Sandbox market cap maybe go back to the $100 million region from where we're currently trading right now. For the Sandbox to get to that worst case scenario, it has to drop an additional 83%, which will mean from the all-time high that we saw the Sandbox market cap trade in November 2021 when the market cap of the Sandbox was over $7.5 billion. It will mean the Sandbox market cap will drop more than 98.6% from that all-time high. If we see the Sandbox pumping in 2023, key levels to pay attention to will be when the Sandbox market cap is getting to that $1 billion region. Are we going to get rejected, or are we going to continue pumping to the upside? If you continue pumping to the upside, the $2 billion will be another critical level for the Sandbox. The highest I think the Sandbox market cap will go in 2023 is if we see the market cap maybe, just maybe, attempting to go above $3 billion. And from where we're currently trading right now, the Sandbox will have to go up more than 350% for us to see the market cap go to that $3 billion region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you're buying the Sandbox right now in the bear market, how low do you think it can go in 2023? If we're pumping to the high side, how high do you think the Sandbox market cap can go before the end of the year? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.